I just get frustrated from my kitchen, and my drawing room is not looking good to welcome my friends.
Yes, my working space is also not comfortable. And in bathroom there is leakage and many problems are there. But what can we do?
Yes, we can do. My friend suggested me to contact VR INTERIO SPACE. They will transform our interior into our dream home. They offers full service of interior designing with turnkey solutions, and also expertise in the field of residential, modular kitchen and wardrobes, commercial, corporate, furniture for all space, turnkey interior solution, project management, before and after 3D, design consultation. They use smart software and a dedicated team of professionals.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How they work?
VR INTERIO SPACE gives 100% quality assurance in planning, designing and execution. First they meet the clients to understand their requirements, then they send their supervisor and designers to measure all the required dimensions, from the site and pictures for renovation or new designing as well. They provides the 2D drafting layouts and 2D elevations and dimensions with 3D projection. After design and material finalization they start the execution to save time and money. They also provide design consultancy service and best quality assurance for old as well as new home, flats, independent floors, villas etc.
Very impressive. I contact them today. Give me the contact detail.